Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, I would be providing all vital information about the reason for the Royal Australian Navy choosing the 12 attack class nuclear submarines and why it went ahead and cancelled the deal with France and gave it to the United States. Let me begin with a quick recap about the deal. The Royal Australian Navy plans to replace their 6 Collins class submarines, which have been the subject of many incidents and technical problems since the design phase. There are several ongoing technical problems due to which Australia is very keen in finding a replacement for these submarines. As per the defense sources, the Collins class submarines was expected to be retired by 2026, but it was later extended to 2030 tentatively. During April 2016, it was announced that the short-fin Barracuda, which is a conventionally powered variant of the Barracuda class nuclear submarine by the French firm DCNS or Naval Group, would be replacing the current fleet of Australia. But surprisingly, on 16 September 2021, Prime Minister Scott Morrison announced the cancellation of the French contract with Australia to coordinate with the United Kingdom and United States to pursue the nuclear powered submarine capability instead of a conventional option. This rapid decision was taken by Australia when the United States, the United Kingdom, and Australia announced a new defense deal on September 16, 2021. Under this decision, the United States and the United Kingdom will help Australia deploy the nuclear powered submarines in the Pacific region. Due to this, Australia notified France that it would end its contract with the state majority owned DCNS to build the 12 submarines, which is said to be the world's largest conventional submarines. The new enhanced security partnership between Australia, the United Kingdom, and the United States has been named as AUKUS, in which these countries will collaborate in terms of technology, scientific research, industry level technology, and defense forces. Having such collaboration will enable these three countries to work together to deliver a safer and more secure region that ultimately benefits all. The first major initiative of AUKUS would be to deliver a nuclear powered submarine fleet for Australia. It is completely unfair what Australia did to France by scrapping such a large deal, and no country would be happy with such an act. Even though France was offering the nuclear powered option, the Royal Australian Navy felt that the one which was offered by the United States was far superior. Even though until now, United States nuclear submarine technology was shared only with Britain, it would now be shared or provided to Australia as well. Whatever may be the reason, what Australia did to France is not at all fair. As per the defense sources, it looks like Australia is yet to decide on the specific class of submarine and later decide on the cost factor. So that was a quick update on what happened with Australia related to the submarine choice. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.